Well, as you guys can tell from the title, the Amazon FBA account got shut down. Guess I should have listened to the haters in the comment section. Psych! My account perfectly fine. Ooh, I know somebody mad as hell right now. I bet they had their whole whole paragraph planned out. About to bring into the comment section. Looking like that ugly ass thing off the Lord of the Rings. Ain't got nothing better to do. Prey on somebody else's downfall. Ooh, mad as hell. You mad, bro? You mad as fuck right now looking at your screen. Throw your phone. Throw your laptop. Throw it. Whatever you watching on, just throw it. Break your TV right now. Broke ass. Oh, man. I ain't got shit better. Alrighty, guys, so I know that was like the best intro ever, but on a serious note, I do know there are a lot of people out there who are scared that their account will get shut down, or if they do certain things that could lead to their account getting shut down. You know, there's a lot of people out there spreading FUD, you know, fear, doubt, and uncertainty. There are people out there that will say your account will get shut down if you sell a certain item, even if you're ungated in it. There are people that will say your account will get shut down if you sell this, if you sell that, if you do this, if you do that. I mean, I'm just going to give you the best thing to do if you have any concerns about your Amazon FBA account, right? So first things first, guys, is one, stop, I'm gonna repeat it, stop listening to everybody in the comment section. Believe it or not, a lot of these people are broke as fuck, and they just mad because they have a shitty ass job and they don't want other people to succeed in life. I mean, that crab mentality is a bitch, but I mean, it is what it is. Not everyone has your best interest at heart. It's just that simple, guys, okay? Stop listening to all the people in the comment section. Now, there are people, obviously, who know what they're talking about. Like, there's 3 people I can think of off the top of my head that I listen to religiously whenever they comment on my videos, and that's because they have experience in retail arbitrage. You do not listen to someone who has no experience, no money, does not practice what they preach, or anything along those lines. A lot of these people that'll comment negatively on videos are broke as fuck. I mean, it's just, it is what it is. You call a spade a spade. It's just, it is what it is, you know? So stop listening to everyone, guys. If you have any problems with your account or you have any concerns, the best thing you can do is simply call Amazon. Call them, all right? You go to your Amazon seller account and you go down to contact seller support. Once you do that, you're gonna be brought up to a little menu or whatever that I'll show you in a second. But you always want to go to the phone tab, the phone little tab here, and you click Call Me Now. Whenever you click Call Me Now, they're literally gonna call you within seconds. You're gonna have like a 30 seconds to a minute wait time. At least that's how it is in my experience or whatever. And then you simply talk to the person who works for Amazon. I mean, where else can you get better advice than someone who actually works for the fucking company you're doing business with? There you go, right? Call Amazon. Stop listening to all these broke-ass people on the internet that don't even make any money. You know what I'm saying? Call Amazon. So what I do is I go over to the menu tab here, and I always go down to other issues down here at the bottom. So you see down here, right? You click other issues, and then it brings down a little drop down, and I click other Amazon services. Get on the phone with Amazon and, you know, discuss whatever it is you're having problems with. Like, I even called them just for something as simple as polybagging. Like, I had no idea if I was supposed to just polybag just the item or the entire package box that it came in, right? So just something as simple as that, guys. You know, call Amazon. It's just that simple. But that is pretty much it. If you like your video, if you like your truth, non-sugar-coated, you know, you like videos on how to make money and all that fun stuff, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I know that intro was amazing, and I know it made somebody mad, but that's okay because it made my day.